Hey, how's it going? I hope your day is going well. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can build a community for your business. Because right now in 2023, if you actually build a community around your whole entire business, you're going to get so many more conversions compared to just sending them maybe from an email or just direct marketing. If you build a community of people that know you, like you, and trust you, then it's going to be so much easier to actually sell products to them. And that is what you can do with this platform that I'm going to introduce to you today. So the platform is called Skool, and Skool allows you to build a community for your business. You can host your courses here. It acts like a Facebook feed where you can chat with your community members, has DMs, and I'm going to dive into it and show you everything about it right now. So if I go into my Skool community, this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, it looks very clean and it looks very professional. You may notice that there's no distractions on the Skool community itself. You don't see any advertisements at all, which is great because when you have a community, you want your members to be focused on either your classroom or your calendar events, or focusing on one specific task within your community, and Skool allows you to do that. And I'll also get into the pricing of Skool later on in the video. So that is what I like about Skool. It has a very clean interface and you can include your logo right there, so you can brand your community. You can include your banner right here to brand your community again. And it says how many members you have, how many are online, and you can have admins in your community. So you can see that the main page, this is like the Facebook feed almost, if you want to call it that. It acts like a Facebook feed. So you can see you can pin posts to your feed. You can actually pin up to 3 posts on your feed, and then after the pin post, it goes into your regular posts. So if I click on this post, for an example, your members can like the post, they can comment on the post, they can include attachments, they can include links, YouTube videos, emojis, and even GIFs into the post. So it makes it very fun and interactive when people start engaging on your posts. And that's what you want to build. You want to build an active community base of people that are actively learning from you, whether that be on e-commerce or whatever niche you're in with your online business. It can be anything. So you basically want to teach people in your community on a specific thing. And that is what Skool allows you to do in such a streamlined way. And you'll notice here that it says there's a Thursday cutoff Zoom. So what you can actually do, and this is a live event. So I'll go into the classroom tab now, but you can go into the calendar, and this is where you can set up live events for your community. So you can see there's some Zoom calls that I have hosted here on my community. So if I just click onto one of them, this is what it looks like for the members. When they click on it, it's going to show them the title of the live event. So in this case, it's a Zoom call, has the link for the Zoom, so your members can quickly join the Zoom meeting directly from the calendar. And you can have a description right here of your Zoom meeting, and you can even add it to your calendar so your members don't miss out on that live event. And the nice thing about this calendar is if you are creating your community, you will set it up in your own time zone, and then Skool will automatically convert that into your members' local time zone. So then there's no confusion as to when the actual live event is happening. So that's another nice feature. And then if you go to the classroom tab, this is where you host all your different courses. Okay, so you can see I have quite a few courses here. And the nice thing about Skool, I have, I think there's like 12 or so courses in my Skool community right now. But if you want to add a new course, you simply click on plus new course and you can add a new course. Now, the nice thing about Skool is that you can add unlimited courses into your Skool community, so you don't need to pay extra in order to add extra courses. Normally with the competitor platforms, you have to pay a premium price in order to host multiple courses. But with Skool, there's just one membership price, and that's going to be $99 per month for your membership price. That's the only pricing plan that they do have available. And there is a 14-day free trial that you can take of Skool. And if you want to test out Skool, you can click the first link in the description of this video to go to this page right here that I was on at the start of the video. Just simply click on create your community and you can go from there. But this is the classroom tab. So multiple courses is huge because as a course creator, you want to continually add to your community and your courses. And not having to pay extra to add more courses is really beneficial. So it is also interactive for the courses. So if I go into the 7-day fast start course that I created, you can see this is the layout of it. So you can just give your set a name. So in this case it's 7-day fast start training. Then you include all the modules in your set. And then you can even include another set below that if you want, and just go from there and create a nice course out of it. And it looks very interactive. So it looks very basic, but it is very effective because there's no distractions. When people come to your course page and they're watching a video, you want them to be focused on the video and not having any ads playing or any distractions. And that's what it is. So you can host your videos with Wistia, Loom, Vimeo, and another one that I can't think of at the top of my head, but multiple ways to host your videos. You don't have to upload your videos into Skool in order to host them. You just get the link for the video, whether that be on YouTube or Loom or Vimeo. You just get the link for your video and you paste the link into the module, and then you can embed your video into the course. And now you can include resources. So you can see I have links for people to click on after they watch the video. So you can include these resource links for people to quickly go to whatever you want them to go to after watching your training video. So that's very nice. And that's something that I do like as well. It looks very clean, not many distractions, which is perfect. So another feature that I can show you is the DM feature. So if you go right here, you can go to the chats and chat with all your members of your Skool community. Now, the nice thing about this chat is it's going to show you all the chats and all the notifications for every single Skool community that you're a part of. So if I click on this drop down menu here, you can see these are all the Skool communities that I'm a part of. So with this chat option right here, you don't have to switch between the different communities to get the chat messages and the notifications for that community. It's all under one chat box right here. Okay, so that's nice. I won't go into it because that's personal information. And if you want to go and create a group, you can simply click create a group, and then you'll be able to create a group. Okay, so that's the very powerful chat feature of Skool. Then you can go here and look at all your members in your community. So if I just click on the members, it gives you all the details about your members. So you can see when were they last active, when did they join, are they a free or paid member. So you can actually create free communities with Skool, and you can create paid communities with Skool with a monthly recurring billing to them. And then you can give them various access to that. And you can see if you click on this membership button right here, you can look at the progress, how far they are in your courses, which is nice. Then you can see who's canceling, how many have churned, and you can have different filters. And then if you want to invite someone, you can simply just click that button to invite someone to your community. Then another nice feature about Skool is the leaderboard. So they've gamified the whole entire system, so it makes it fun and interactive for your members to be in your community, because that's the hardest part about owning a community, is trying to get that active member base. And because they've gamified the whole process, it makes getting active members in your community so much easier. So as they interact in your Skool community and get likes on their posts, they're going to level up in your community. So you can see I'm level 1 Freedom Apprentice right now, and I've got 1 point to level up. So as they level up, you can give them rewards for leveling up. You can give them a one-on-one consultation call, or you can simply just unlock extra courses for them. So for an example, in my Skool community at level 3, I unlock for them Affiliate Marketing 101, level 4 in-depth affiliate marketing training, and it just goes on like that. So you can give them rewards. It gives them incentive to be active in your community, and then you're going to get that active member base, and they're going to get the rewards for staying active. And then you can see the leaderboards right below that. I've just launched my Skool community, so there's no one on the actual leaderboards just yet, but that information will show there. So you can see who's the #1 most active person in your community, and then you can reach out to them and give them the reward, or simply just unlock extra courses for them. Then you can go to the About page of your Skool community. Now this acts like a landing page for your Skool community. So this is the About page for my Skool community. I just set up a simple, it acts sort of like an opt-in page, but it is to join the group. That's the action of my About page, is to click the join group button, which will be right below the member base where it says settings. There'll be a join group button that looks just like this. and you can join the group by clicking that button. And when people land on your about page from your different traffic sources, they'll be able to see, is it a public or a private group? How many members are in the group? Is it a free or a paid group? And the group creator, and then you can give your group a description so people know what they're getting into. So that's most of the most important features of Skool, and I really like it. It's very clean and no distractions, which is the most important thing. So if you want to get started with your own Skool community, you can click the first link in the description of this video. That'll take you to this page right here. Simply just click on create your community and you can go from there. And if you have any questions about Skool and communities, comment on this video and I'll be glad to help you out. So if this video helped you out, drop a like onto it and I'll see you in the next video.